So we're about to climb the bell tower as well, all the way up there. We did that earlier, where those people are, and now we're doing this. So I decided to climb two things in one day. So after the Duomo, now we're doing the bell tower, Giotto's bell tower. Level 1. Heading up to level 2. Okay, so big difference. The steps in the bell tower are much higher than the steps in the dome. So a little more tiring. Level 2. And we're going up to level 3. And level 3. Here we are. There's one more level. Finally. Oof. This is the top most bit of the bell tower. Okay, I'm gonna say that this was actually harder than that I did earlier, because you can't really stop and the steps are higher. Okay, but the view of this dome just opposite is definitely worth it. So that's what we did. We climbed the bell tower and the cupola in one day. Not really recommended. I mean, it's recommended, but not in the same day.